Take a ride in the 2026 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, LED headlights. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.